Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to send disappearing messages on WhatsApp. So for that, we have to go on our WhatsApp app. Then from here, you have to choose the person that you want to enable this. And then from here, you have to click on the person's name. And then as you can see right here, under the media and the notification, it is a disappearing messages option. So you just have to click on that, then click on continue. Like they say, the messages will disappear after 7 days if they are sent to a chat that has disappearing messages turned on. So let's turn this on. Click on continue and then click on and then go back. And now if we send a message, this message will disappear automatically in 7 days. And you can do this also on groups. It's the same thing, you just have to click on the group's name and it will be just like this. So yeah guys, this is it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can smash the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to comment down below your thoughts. Have a great day. Bye bye.